Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix error in your Google Chrome browser. So as you can see guys in my screen 404, oops, the page you are looking for could not be found. So when I am opening the website, at that time I am getting this type of error. So in case you are getting the error when you are opening any website, so other websites are opening fine in my browser, only this particular website when I am opening, at that time only I am getting this type of error. So you can try the method to fix this issue. So basically the main reason behind this error is this guys: if the website server was down, if the website is corrupted, so by the website server you can't open this website, you can't browse this website. So the main reason is this guys, the problem is from the website. So in case you are facing regularly continuously same type of problem issue on your browser, at that time you can try the next fixes. Okay, so close the browser and try to open that particular website once again, or reload that website 4 to 5 times continuously. Hope this will helps you to fix your issue. So you can also try the next method. You can get some other links on this website, like go to home page, like this kind of link. So just click on it and let's see it will fix your issue or not. As you can see guys, now my website was opening. So in case still you are facing same type of problem, now you can try the next method. Click on three dots, scroll down and go to help and simply update your browser. After updating the browser, it will fix your issue. Still in case you are facing same type of problem, now you need to clear your browsing data. To clear your browsing data, go to privacy and security. Here you can get the option clear browsing data. Just click on it, select the time range, all time, just check this all boxes like this and then click on clear data. After doing this guys, restart your browser one time and try to browse your website. It will fix your issue 100%. Still in case you are facing same type of problem, now what you need to do, you need to open your browser settings once again. Now go to system and enable and disable this all option one time. Continue running background apps, disable it, enable it, and you need to also disable graphic acceleration on your browser like this, and then click on relaunch. After relaunching, go to that particular website like this and try to browse your website. It will fix your issue. Okay, still in case you are facing same type of problem, last and final solution is this guys: you need to reset your browser. To reset your browser, once again you need to open the settings from the left panel, scroll down and go to reset settings. From here you can able to reset the browser. So these are the easy and simple solution to fix this issue. So that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.